Hello dear student, we are in the class 7 in the next lesson of fraction and decimal. So here we are in the introduction part, as well as I will memorize the topic that you have learned in the previous classes that is related with the fraction and decimal. So fraction is a number which is in the form of numerator and the denominator. Got that? That is what the fraction. So there are particularly two types, proper and the improper fraction. So let's see the example of proper fraction. So proper fraction example is 3 divided by 4, that is one number. Here if you do comparison, denominator is greater than numerator, that's why it's a proper fraction. So whenever the denominator is greater than its numerator, okay, if the denominator is greater than numerator, then it is known as a proper fraction. So this is what the proper fraction. Now I just reverse that number, and here denominator is less than its numerator. So what this is what improper fraction, because the numerator is greater. Next one is a like fraction. Suppose I take example of 2 by 5, 7 by 5, 11 by 5. These are all like fraction. Why? Because their denominator are same. That is what the like fraction. Next we will see convert improper fraction to mixed. That is very important topic. It will be used in the exercise. So improper fraction example is suppose 4 by 3. It is improper because denominator is smaller than numerator. Okay, so this is what the improper fraction. So you have to convert into mix. How we will convert? Divide 4 by 3. So it is 3 into 1 is 3. So it can be subtracted from 4. So it is 1. So this is known as the quotient, this is divisor, and this is remainder. So here mixed fraction formula will become quotient, remainder, and its divisor. D we use downside, it is stands for denominator also. So first you write here 1, that is quotient, then you write remainder, then you write its divisor. So the answer is 1 upon 3. That is known as mixed fraction, and this is known as a improper fraction because denominator is smaller. Now after this we will compare two fraction number. For that I am taking simple number 1 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So whenever you compare, you have to make its denominator same. How you will make it same? You have to find their LCM. So 5 and 3 LCM is 15. If you don't know how to do LCM, what is LCM? See my previous tutorial. 5 into 3 is 15. So 1 upon 3 is nothing but, for making denominator 15, you have to do 3 into 5, because 3 into 5 is 15. Same number you have to multiply with 1. So 1 into 5, you have to write 1 into 5 is 5 and 3 into 5 is 15. So that is what we are comparing. Second number is 4 upon 5. Second number is 4 upon 5. So how you will get 15 downside? 5 into 3 is 15. Same number you have to use upside. 4 into 3 is 12. 5 into 3 is 15. So now you are in position to compare them. 5, 15 and 12, 15. So ultimately 12 is greater. So 12 and 15 is nothing but 4 upon 5, which is greater than 5 upon 15 is nothing but 1 upon 3. So in this way you can compare the number. You have to check which one is greater, which one is smaller. One more topic I will tell you, that is equivalent fraction. Equivalent means same fraction. Suppose one number is there, I am taking same number 1 upon 3. You have to find its equivalent fraction. How you will do? You multiply them with the same number. You can take 2, 3, any number. I am multiplying by 2, but you have to multiply by same number both sides. It is not like here you are taking 2, here you are taking 3. It's wrong. So it will become 2 by 6. if you divide them by same number like 2, you will get back 1 upon 3. So that is why it is equivalent fraction. You can again multiply. If you want one more number, you can multiply by 3 also. That is same number you have to use. So it is nothing but 3 upon 9. Again, if you divide them by 3, it will become 1 upon 3. So that is what the equivalent fraction. In the exercise, this concept will be used. Now we will see here addition on fraction. Okay, so I am taking two number. I am taking simple number for your understanding. So here the LCM you have to calculate. Why? We have to make their denominator same. And for making denominator same, as you know, you have to do their LCM. So LCM is 15. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. If you don't know how to get LCM, see the previous tutorial. So 2 by 5. For making their denominator 15, you have to do 5 into 3. Same number you have to use upside, that is 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 is 6, 5 into 3 is 15. So this is what the number. And then same procedure you do for 1 upon 3. For making into 15, you have to do 3 into 5, 15. Same number you have to use upside. 1 into 5 is 5. 3 into 5 is 15. Now their denominator are same. So now you can easily do their addition. So 15 are same. So write at once only and just write 6 plus 5. It's very simple. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 upon 15. That is your answer. Now we will do subtraction. Subtraction on the fraction. So I am taking same number 2 by 5 and 1 upon 3. So here also you have to make their denominator same. So as you know, their LCMs are 15. We have already done this. Telling you one more time. 5 into 3 is 15 and here 2 into 3. So it is nothing but 6 by 15. Same you have to do for 1 upon 3. So it is 3 into 5 and one side 1 into 5. 3 into 5, 15. 1 into 5 is 5. Finally, we got their denominator same. 6 by 15 and second number 5 by 15. So subtraction means minus. 15 as it is 1 and 6 minus 5 is 1. So 15 we have written only once. Okay, because denominators are same. So your answer is 1 upon 15. That is the difference between these two. That is known as a subtraction operation. So whatever the concept we learn in this tutorial, the concept will be utilized in the exercise corner. So I hope friend you understood this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.